Senator Susan Collins announcing that they have secured $13.7 million in direct spending for the healthcare workforce. This comes after President Biden signed an appropriations bill into law. Due to the shortage of healthcare workers in the state and the nation as a whole, Collins says she wanted to, quote, support important programs throughout Maine, unquote. Among the 5 facilities receiving funds are Northern Light Acadia Hospital, Rural Dementia Care Program, which is receiving $1.3 million. The UMaine Augusta Nursing Workforce Development Program will be receiving $4.5 million, and $513,000 will be going to the Kennebec Community College Radiology Simulation Lab.